Hey guys, Reverend7 here. I made the pretty bold move of sharing my YouTube channel, sharing you guys with my girlfriend. I'm 18 years old, I still collect Hot Wheels cars, and there's a lot of older men that still do, and older kids that do it, but it's still kind of something that it was kind of difficult for me to really be like, alright, I'm just going to disclose this. This is something that I do. But surprisingly, she was very interested in it and thought it was really funny and cool. And she hit me with this idea around a week ago. She said that I should make a video like I normally would, review some cars, but don't give any commentary. And she would do the commentary. So that's what we got going on here. I filmed a video like I normally would, gave no commentary though, and left the commentary to be done left it up to her. So we'll see how this goes. I already know how it went. I think it's very funny. And I've already edited it, but I'm just giving you guys a disclaimer. This is a new type of video on our channel, so hope you enjoy it. It was very funny to watch her make it and edit it, but yeah, here we go.
Hey guys, RevItUp7 here. Get scammed. I'm not Rev Up or 7. I am girlfriend, anonymous girlfriend. I thought I would share some fun facts about Senor RevItUp7 because you guys don't know that much about him. So he is a gold member at Planet Fitness. He has a fancy bearded dragon that is 5 years old. His favorite color is purple. He likes an NFL team that is very bad. Their colors are blue and black. And fun fact about me, okay, if you watched the last video that talked about me, I bought that Volkswagen Beetle for $20 because it's my favorite car and I love it, okay? I'm sorry, sue me, whatever. It was worth every penny to me. Anyways, let's get into this video. I have some really fun finds to show you guys. I got these at Walmart, the only place you can buy Hot Wheels. Fun fact about Walmart, it's the only place that Hot Wheels exist at. So this is the first car. It is a Chevy. Fun fact about Chevy, they're actually originally called American Pie, but then when the song was released, they liked the word Chevy better, so they went ahead and changed their name to Chevy. This is a Camaro, and it is not a Bumblebee. It is a yellow Bumble. It has a triangle on it, and yeah, I don't really know how I feel about this car. Honestly, it's kind of lame. I hate that it sucks in the back. No license plate. It says Hot Wheels on it, obviously. So to be honest with you guys, I'm gonna have to rate this car 1 out of 5 whiskey and rye. This just isn't cutting it for me. Trash. This is going in the garbage after I film. Okay, this is worse. I misspoke. The last car is a 2 out of 5. This is a 1 out of 5. Oh, it has a metal base, so it's heavy, and I wag my finger at it, and it is an ugly color. Ooh, it's from 2004. That's when RevItUp7's parents got married. It's their anniversary car, guys. Ooh, card. It has card art. Oh, it has, okay, fun fact about Hot Wheels card art. Now they put the actual card on, the car on the card. Yeah, and they used to not do that, but now the newer cars do for like the last 10 years or something like that. I heard that from someone. So yeah, this car's trash, don't buy it. Bad. Also doesn't have a license plate, it's illegal, you cannot drive this, do not drive it. Oh wait, is it? Well, I can't tell what brand it is, trash. Put it in the garbage. Goodbye. Okay, what else do we have here? Is that it? Is this all I bought? Am I stupid? Oh, no. Okay, we finally got, I'm gonna rate this a 4 out of 5. It's got flames on it. That's how you know it's fast. Fun fact about cars with flames on them, they're actually really, really quick. Another fun fact, I'm actually in a bathrobe right now. My girlfriend just saw my arms, so she now realizes that I am naked in a bathrobe while filming this. Waggle finger. Also no license plate, so this is not legal. It is not registered in the state. So that's not good. That's definitely why it is gonna get a 4 out of 5 instead of a 5 out of 5. I really like cars that I can drive and not drive. Okay, let's look at the back here. It is another 2004 car. Wow, amazing. old. So that's 16 years old. I mean, if a person was 16, they'd be too old to collect Hot Wheels, don't you think? Oh, no, apparently not. Okay, I'm sorry. I probably just roasted you guys. My bad. I love you. I love Hot Wheels cars. I just bought 11 of them on accident. They're fun to buy. I can't help it. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. 2 of these are going in the garbage. 1 of them is acceptable. I love you.